This lesson will show you how to draw yaprak, as in leaves, in Tezhip. All you need is a pencil, paper, and a rubber. This video will be broken into 2 parts. We first need to master the basics of drawing a leaf. Beginning from the bottom right, draw a curved line. Starting lightly, add pressure towards the nuance. Continue the pressure as we do the back of the leaf. End with a lightened pressure. Then we draw the sap of the leaf. Watch carefully. Take it slowly. Breathe. Let's count the strokes, with the first beginning from the bottom right. Add pressure towards the nuance. Breathe. Now the second is the back of the leaf. Lighten the pressure towards the end. Pause again. And the third part is drawing the root or the sap of the leaf. Look carefully. See the nuance? Practice this with the downloadable PDF I shared below. See you next lesson.